Hello to everyone, I'm Violetta in Russian for Foreigners today. I would like to tell you about some useful but so tricky verb in Russian. So, it's a verb to be, in Russian, быть. I want to show you something, how this tricky verb will be in present tense, but absolutely different in past and future. For example, in present tense, I want you to understand that we are actually not using it. So I put here like a cross to you understand that we are never using it. We just don't say about that. So for example, I am a student. I can say just without am. I am a student. I can say я, like I, student, without anything between these two verbs. Я студент. Do you understand? So without to be. Not to be here. Sometimes but you understand that between these two verbs, verbs can be the verb to be, but we just not pronounce it. It's a есть. This is the verb есть in present tense. Just like я есть студент. I am a student. Just to understand that in present tense to be transformed to verb есть. Not быть, but есть in present tense. In some sentence, we can hear that, sometimes, but generally speaking, not. Let's move to our past tense. In past, like here, я, I, ты, you, you, он, he, она, she, оно, it, мы, we, вы, you, and they. So, it's the same as at this column. Do you see? Just that's why, because I didn't put this information, because just I did it the same here, just to be not copyright. Okay, but now I try to show you how the verb быть changed. Я был. It's a past tense. Я был, you can say if you are a man. Я был. But if I'm talking about myself, I'm a woman, I can say я была. Ты means you. Был. Был. If you're a man, I'm talking about you as a man, as my friend. I can say you, ты был. But if you're a female, I can say была. Он был. Okay, он, it means he. Был. You see L at the end. Here also and here also. She, она была. Оно было. It, оно было. We, мы, были. И at the end. Do you see? You, вы as a formal. I told you before, but I want you to understand again and remember about this all the time, that we have вы, like formal. You're a person, as a president, as a teacher, someone who is older than you, to show that you're show your respect to this person. You can say вы. It means you, not ты. Right? But from the other hand, you can understand that we can be group of people. You are my subscribers. Вы были. You see, at the end, in both situations, you can see были и at the end. They, они были. They, они были. Also и at the end. So easy. Here, и. You see? So let's repeat. Я был, or я была. Ты был, or ты была. Он был, она была, оно было, было. Мы были, вы были, они были. One more time. Я был, о, была. Ты был, о, была. Он был. She была. Оно было. Мы были. Вы были. Они были. If you try to repeat it again and again, it's not so difficult, right? Because you just keep it in mind and just try to memorize. Okay? It's a past tense, by the way. Past tense. And a future, also not so difficult. Just you need the time to memorize it. Я буду. It not depends on a woman or I am a man. Я буду. At the end will be у. Буду. Ты будешь. It doesn't matter you are a man or woman. If I'm talking with a girl or with a man, doesn't matter. I will tell you будешь. After that, он будет. Again, она будет. It's the same. Оно будет. You see, он, она, оно will be the same. I mean the same and at the verb быть. So, будет. Do you see? So, он, она, оно будет. Вы будете. Вы будете. Вы, for example, you are going to eat. You will eat. Right? You will eat. Вы будете есть. Есть, it means eat. Есть. Okay, I will tell here. Есть. Есть. So, eat. Есть. Next one, мы. Like we are. Мы будем. Мы будем. Вы будете, да? Вы будете. Они будут. Ut at the end. So, in the future tense, you can see how this verb быть will be different at the end. So, I repeat you again before I was explaining you how it was like to you understand the meaning and form and something like that. I will repeat you again. Я буду. Ты будешь. Он будет. Она будет. Оно будет. Мы будем. Вы будете. Они будут. I want to show you how it will be with like in a sentence. For example, we found the verb есть, means eat. How I can say it at the sentence? Я буду есть. So the verb есть will be in infinitive form without changing. Я буду есть. Ты будешь есть. Он будет есть. Она будет есть. Оно будет есть. Мы будем есть. Вы будете есть. Они будут есть. So simple. After verb быть, to be, you will not change the verb. Will be in infinitive form. So, I hope this lesson will help you to speak about everything using the verb to be. If you like my channel, subscribe please. And if you have any question, ask me here. So, see you next time.